So this is Tin Cup, huh? 1903. Cumberland is very nice. It's rocky. It's all get out. So if you're going to do this Colorado BDR, folks, there is Cumberland Pass. Just be prepared. It is going to bounce you around a little bit. It is rocky, but look how beautiful it is. See, this is how I should have Tom stop right here and me go up further and get you guys with the drone. I'm going to get the drone out. Stay here. Excellent. This was a another nice pass, guys. See, coming down Cumberland Pass. The open prairie. That's out on the open range. That is correct, sir. But we're running at a pretty good clip. What are we doing? I'm doing 47 right now. 50? 50. Yeah, 50 miles an hour. Gripping and ripping. For more experienced players, you probably could go faster. For the less experienced players, you might want to go slower. That was excellent. All right, folks, looks like they're ranchers. Oh yeah, they're hurting. Look at that, they're out there ranching. That is so cool. Oh yeah, you see him running up there behind the one? That was cool. Now Tom's gonna go play with the small bikes. Guys, are there more coming? Well, warn me if you see another one come. Watch out, guys, big humps there. Oh. Got it? I think we need to stay left here, guys. Oh. Big climb, guys, big climb. I am, bro. Good job. Oh, more to come here, guys. Oh, shit. Why did we stop? We think we might have left the Canadian back there. Oh, there he is. That's him right there. Oh, he's right behind you, John. Oh, yes. Yeah, he took the easy route. Does anybody know what this name of this thing is? What is it? Home Gulch. Home Gulch. Okay. Oh, shit. My bike is going to be like, I am not taking you on any more BDRs. Mom and the kids are out playing. Oh yeah, and she's not liking us doing this either. No, that's a Papa Bear right there with his ass all steamed up. Climbs, baby, climbs. Watch out for your bags on the trees. Careful, careful, we got cattle. She's kicking. That was a good run. What? That is a beautiful shot, everyone. That is picturesque, if there ever was something. That's gorgeous down through here. Look at those falls. Oh yeah. Tim Runyon. So I got a cabin in Lake City, he said. Tim got a cabin in Lake City towards, he's going to roll home Wednesday. Now we're in Lake City. All right, let's camp. thought that was Ian. Oh! Ah! Ah!